Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to record in Audacity. First, make sure Audacity is installed and open on your computer. To start recording, simply click the big red record button at the top. Before you start speaking, you want to make sure your microphone is set up correctly. Check the input device by looking at the microphone icon at the top. Make sure it's set to the correct input. For example, if you're using an external microphone, select that from the drop-down menu. If you're using the internal mic on your computer, select that option instead. Now, let's check the levels before recording. Next to the microphone icon, you'll see an option that says Recording Levels. Tap that to see the sound levels. Speak into the microphone, and you'll see the levels move up and down. You want to make sure the levels don't go too high, as that can cause distortion. Aim for levels that peak around -6 to -9 dB. Once your levels are set, hit the red record button to start capturing audio. Speak into the microphone and Audacity will begin recording your voice. When you're done recording, just press the stop button, which is the square button next to the record button. To listen to your recording, hit the green play button. You'll hear the audio you just recorded. If you need to start a new recording, go to the File menu at the top, click New, and Audacity will open a new project for you. Then, simply hit the record button again to begin recording your new audio. That's all it takes to record in Audacity. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.